Okay, so the Cerberus headphones. Right, let's take them out and unpack them. So theoretically I could have just copied the clips from the previous SCAR 2 unboxing and unplug them into this part of the video, but all of you would instantly know the difference, so let's do it the proper way, true to the unboxing craft itself, although is it really a craft? Not so sure. Okay, so the Cerberus headphones, some manual, some extension cables and le microphone. So I've actually tested these back in the day with the original unboxing of the SCAR 2 laptop, and from personal experience what I can say was very comfortable and very easy to use these headphones, so I'm glad that Asus still has decided to stick to their formula, meaning if you buy a Strix, SCAR or Hero laptops, you have a very nice bundle to launch your pro or intermediate gaming career, where you have a set of decent headphones that operate as normal headphones, and then when you just basically would plug it in, put it on, and you're good to go with your giraffe neck type of microphone, which I actually find to be the best solution of budget microphones still out in the market. And yeah, the sound quality is pretty decent. I've tested it with some games playing online with my friends, and they said that yeah, this works. It's not the greatest like AAA level sound or anything, but they do the job. They're actually as a standalone option still not the cheapest ones, but this is probably the essence of bang for your buck. The backpack is, well, it's basically the same backpack that I had last year. You know what? I think I'll just leave it packed in, not to break the freshness of it, so maybe the next reviewer can use it. What's important to us is that this is a backpack holding up to 17-inch laptops inside of it. Well, well, there we have it. That is the box. So in the box is the laptop itself. Unlike other Asus products, I don't see a comfortable and easy way how to get this one out. Okay, so this is the laptop, and this is all the bundled stuff that it comes with. We'll start with the pouch that probably holds all the technical documentation. Whoa, the hell, what's that? That's something new that I haven't really seen previously in any of the ROG laptops. Quick start guide, yeah, that's all cool, but what I'm interested in is, what is this thing? HDD-FFC. Do you have anything else under here? No, not really. And on the sides we have your, oh, what is it? Man, this time Asus really has packed you full with adapters and dongles. This is a USB 2 to micro USB adapter. Okay, that's the power brick. It's not actually the biggest one, okay? And then here, I'm hoping that they actually have a gaming mouse with it, because otherwise nothing would make sense. Ta-da! Yes! The small accessories. This will definitely be a mouse, and the other compartment holds probably some other smaller things. We'll take a look what's inside a bit later. And now for the actual fun part. So we got the laptop, we got these two mysterious boxes, where one is actually not that mysterious, if I recall correctly, but the other one is, I don't think I recall it being part of the previous generation. Anywho, okay, let's start with the mouse. Okay, let's crack it open. It's packed in a lot of bubble wrap, like in a lot of bubble wrap. That it's actually compartmentalized bubble wrap. Cool. Okay, the mouse. Well, this is a Gladius 2 mouse, and why I got paused there for a second is because, hold on a sec, What's funny is that my personal choice of mouse is the Gladius 2, about which I was actually thinking to make a review itself, so appears I'll have to do it, so no, wait. Okay, so I got the Gladius 2 Origin mouse. This is just the Gladius 2, and it comes with an extra button, and that's actually nice. So you have also included a very good gaming mouse in the package. With a complimentary Republic of Gamers branded USB cable, because this mouse is not wireless, that is a wired mouse. And yeah, so far we can conclude you have the laptop, you have the headphones and the mouse. So basically already you're all set for starting your journey as a pro gamer. And now the other mystery box, in which I have no idea what's inside of it. Okay, let's just grab a knife. I kind of thought that I would be fine without it, but yeah, obviously still have to practice with these tricky... Now, what the hell is this? Can't seem to get into the package to see. Okay, I'm curious. Whoa! That's a webcam. Not sure what the retail price of this webcam is at the moment, but and how to actually operate it, but well, you have a webcam. We'll try to test it at some later time, because I have no idea how does it stick together. They're magnets. Okay, this is for the USB cable, which is there's no USB cable for the webcam. That is funny, because you had your cable for the mouse, but you don't have a cable for the webcam, and I still have absolutely no idea how is it supposed to stand on it? Well, that's just because I was dumb. So you can... Alright, okay. So it's actually opening up and tilting and stuff, and so you can put it in. Okay, so yeah, that's a very nice accessory to include with the laptop. Well, I have to say that I am impressed, jealous, and envious all at the same time, because the contents of this box are very good, and I dare other manufacturers to come forth and beat this, but that's actually not all. I thought there was something fishy about this last compartment. Thought it would have the USB cable to power the webcam in here, because, well, kind of the space permits it, but it's empty. So yeah, no USB cable for your webcam. And now comes the king of the show. The laptop itself. It looks nice. It really does look nice. Clean brush metal finish design, just the one I like from Asus. And let's boot it up as well. Okay, following my instinct, I instantly went for one or the other side of the laptop to plug it in, but actually what Asus has done is put the power port on the back side of the laptop, so it doesn't interfere with either of your hands while playing. This laptop, just like the Hero and the Scar series, is famous first of all for having dedicated gamer keys in a different color. In this edition, it's the WASD keys for your FPS shooters and RPGs, etc. And for MOBAs, you would have the Hero series that have the QWER keys lit. We see that on the back the logo, at least on the startup, hasn't lit up. But again, at this point I have to set it all up and install all necessary programs for the review that will follow. But overall, I hope you got a very good understanding of what is included in this giant box that you receive from Asus when you buy a Strix series laptop. I have to say, again and again. I am very surprised and shocked a bit about all the goodies that you get in this box, because a webcam, a mouse and the headset, all combining in the region of 200 euros already as extras, plus the laptop, which costs in the region of 2,000 euros, but this is actually the correct price range that I have found. So yeah, with this I will conclude the video. I hope you found it intriguing and interesting, and can't wait to see the review of this laptop itself. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so by clicking the button below the video. All others, I thank you for your attention sincerely. Like the video, dislike it, either way, thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one. Goodbye!